Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A41, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down, locate and open device care and go to the security. Go to turn on, and if you would like to perform a virus scan, just click on scan phone. And it will be done automatically, so you just have to patiently wait until it's finished. And that's it. As you can see, your Galaxy is secure, so that will be all. This is how you can perform a virus scan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.